Welcome back to our channel, where we are all about financial success and helping you achieve your goals. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: passive income. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore various strategies and provide you with the tools to start making passive income. So, let's dive right in. Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It's the money that keeps flowing into your bank account even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to find your bank balance increasing, all because of the passive income streams you've set up. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get started on the path to achieving just that. Step 1. Understanding passive income. The first step is to understand what passive income truly means. Passive income refers to earnings that require minimal effort to maintain. Unlike traditional active income, where you trade your time for money, passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep. Step 2. Identify your passion and skills. To start generating passive income, it's essential to identify your passions and skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Find activities or hobbies that you love and consider how they can be monetized. Whether it's writing, graphic design, investing, or creating digital products, leveraging your skills and passions will make the journey enjoyable and sustainable. Step 3. Research and choose passive income streams. Now that you have identified your skills and passions, it's time to research and choose the right passive income streams for you. There are numerous options available, such as 1. Rental properties, investing in real estate and earning rental income. 2. Dividend stocks, investing in stocks that pay regular dividends. 3. Online businesses, creating and monetizing a website, blog, or online store. 4. Peer-to-peer lending, lending money through online platforms to earn interest. 5. Digital products, creating and selling e-books, online courses, or software. 6. Affiliate marketing, promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales. Host, remember, it's important to select income streams that align with your skills, interests, and resources. Step 4. Set up your passive income streams. Host. Now that you've chosen your passive income streams, it's time to set them up. This step may involve actions such as 1. Researching and investing in rental properties. 2. Opening brokerage accounts to invest in dividend stocks. 3. Building a website or online store to showcase your products or services. 4. Researching and signing up for reputable peer-to-peer lending platforms. 5. Creating and launching your digital products or online courses. 6. Joining affiliate marketing programs and promoting products on your platform. Each income stream will require its own setup process, so take your time and ensure you follow the necessary steps to get started. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Once your passive income streams are up and running, it's important to monitor their performance and optimize your strategies. Regularly review your investments, track website analytics, or update and improve your products. This ongoing monitoring and optimization will help you maximize your earnings and identify areas for growth. Congratulations! You've now learned the step-by-step process to make passive income. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and persistence. Start small, diversify your income streams, and be patient. Over time, as you build multiple sources of passive income, you'll inch closer to financial freedom. That wraps up today's guide on how to make passive income. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And, as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Until next time, keep taking steps towards your financial success. Thanks for watching.